Good day, everyone. Our group will demonstrate the sport principle progression using the jogging as our physical act.
Progression means gradually increasing the intensity, time, or difficulty of an exercise to improve performance safety.
As beginners, we start jogging at slow pace for 10 minutes only. We do not rush or push our bodies too hard.
Last week, we could only jog for 5 minutes, but now we can already do 10 minutes. These show gradual improvements. After few training sessions, we plan to increase our jogging time to 15 minutes, then 20 minutes depending on our fitness level.
This gradual increase help our heart, lungs, and muscles adjust to the activity. If we increase too fast, we may get injured or exhausted. That's why progression is important.
By following progression, we improve our endurance and stamina safety. Progression also helps us stay motivated because we can see our improvements over time.
This is how the sport principle of progression improves performance in jogging. Yay!